Everything that has a beginning has an end. Today is packing day, and yesterday I went to Primark. I got this duffel bag because we have a lot of items to pack in terms of gifts, chocolates, I went to Primark, as in I've been going to Primark. Every time I reach Primark, I will always see something to buy. And it was doing me to pack the whole Primark to Nigeria. Hey, Primark, if you people happen to come to Nigeria, I will be the happiest. But I bought a few things. I really thank God for providing. And yeah, and I thank God I was able to buy for few family and friends. So far, like I can't thank God enough. Hey God, thank you so much for always watching my content and for always supporting. I really appreciate. So in the meantime, our traveling day is today actually, and we'll be going to the airport. Our flight is around 11 p.m. We'll be going to the airport around 5 by God's grace, and I will sure carry you guys along on everything that we get to do today by God's grace. So in the meantime, I haven't been uploading video, like for 3 days now. I haven't uploaded because I have been so tired. Anytime I go out and come back, I'll do the house chores and cooking and the rest of them. And the yogurt has been of immense support and help with the children and the rest of them. So I have been so tired, and yeah, I've just been enjoying the moment. But in the meantime, let us pack. So let me show you guys one of the things that I got from Primark that I love so much. It's one of the things that I love so much. So I saw these packing cubes. Okay, in case you go to Primark, go to the travel section where they usually sell this duffel bag. If that I saw this duffel bag, another one, I would have gotten it because I love how long it is and it doesn't really have weight when you weigh it. I got this for 16 euros. That is how much I got it. And for this particular packing cubes, but this packing cubes is actually 3 in 1 or so. It's not really like the 6 in 1. I saw it for 6 euro, and if you're converting it to Nigerian money, it is like 10,000 naira, but it's 3 in 1. It will definitely serve the purpose for which I got it. Let us pack, and yeah, because you'll be saying there is time. I'm just waking up. The time now is 11 a.m. But basically, one thing I love about myself is that anytime we come for travel, I usually don't scatter our things. Our clothes are usually in the bag. Anytime I bring out clothes, I arrange it back. Anytime I wash, I fold it and put it back. So that is what I have been doing. And yeah, I don't really have much to pack in terms of clothes. So that's what I want to say. Pack. Okay. Before I put things inside. So, hold on. I need to do something. Even TikTok videos I haven't been posting. Hey, God, oh. I don't like the fact that I haven't been posting videos. But anyway, all in due time. Okay? All in due time. So, I am all dressed up right now. I am done with the packing, with the sweeping, with the cleaning, and I even had to dress the bed because I wouldn't like a situation whereby...
to go by Harry.
Yes, I'm coming. I wouldn't like a situation whereby I own an apartment and when people lodge there and go out, I know normally it's not supposed to be like very clean like how we met it, but I just want people to, I would want to try my best to keep everywhere clean as much as I can. So right here, That's it. I am done. That towel is for them, so I'll be leaving it here for them to actually wash it. And my yogurt, our friend and Kene went to the store. They went to go and look for duffel bag because our bags, most of them are now weighing more than 28 kg because we were trying to put some things into some of the bags that we came with, and it is more than 23 kg right now. So they went to get one more duffel bag so that we can use to bring out most of the bags that are more than 28 kg because we don't have any other bag to put them inside. But in the meantime, I want to show you guys outfits of the day. So I always love when people say, this one is from Zara, this one is from where? Anyway, Lotana, please come out. I want to show my outfit of the day.
Why go to Nigeria?
Yes. So.
Bye green.
Yes.
Bye.
Oh, Lotanda, excuse me.
Bye.
So here is outfit of the day. This crop top is from Primark. This trouser is from Primark, okay? I said I'm gonna be going back to Nigeria in new things that I bought. Anyway, this top is from Primark. This trouser is from Primark, and this is one of my best buys that I got from Primark. And I said I'm gonna be stomping Nigeria with luxury brands. I don't see my size for Zara. Not I did not see my size. I didn't go to Zara to buy anything for myself anyway. I was mostly focused on buying from Primark. So, but we go again this year, have we? And my sneakers is from Nigeria, Wuse Market. That's where I bought it. And then my earring is from Wuse Market. My bangle is from Wuse Market, and my watch, Apple Watch, and that's basically it. This is my first time of wearing a crop top. Hey, I've been telling myself, where you see flat tummy to wear crop top, where are you wearing crop top to? But this one that I saw in Primark, like, it is not like crop, but it's crop top, okay? And I love it. I love my outfit, okay? I look good. Right now, I want to close my bag to weigh it, to know how many kg that this bag is. The other bags, we've already weighed it. I just wanted to freshen up, pack the rest of the things that I want to put inside before I weigh it. And that's basically it. Let me show you guys the way that we're actually living this particular apartment. The kids, they've taken their bath. They're wearing their trouser. They'll be wearing their top and their shoes once we are leaving. We've already packed our winter jackets because we won't be wearing it. The weather is not too cold. So let's not have like so much things. We'll just be wearing the cardigan that we wore to come. So that's basically it. You look good, you look good, you look. Oh yeah, please give me that ring. Give it to me, please. Where is the other one? But you can drink from one cup, please. I've washed everything there. So here is my hand carry-on luggage. This particular tote bag. So if you want this tote bag, it's actually heavy. I ordered it from shopray.ng down Instagram. So this is it at shopray. At shopray_ray. Hey, Shebi, shop_ray. Shopray, I'll just be leaving it on the screen. And then this school bag, Etom will be carrying it. Then this one is my toiletries bag, my cream. I'll look for a bag to put it in because I have to check it in. These slippers, we came with it. The granola, we'll be putting it into our bag. So this is one of the bag that we bought while here. It's already filled up and it's more than 28 kg. So this is another luggage. Go and keep those. So this is the duffel bag that I got from Primark. Then this particular bag, we are carrying it back for our friend. The son actually packed it up, and that's it. This is another bag. And then we'll be putting our luggage tag on them. And this is another bag that we have. Can I left our bag here? His bag here. So this is another bag. This is one of the hand carry-on luggage. This one is the dustbin. We'll be taking it out. I've brought out all the dustbin in all the in all the bathroom or in this particular house. Okay, and then this Primark bag that you are seeing here is the pots that I ordered from, is it that Toby's shop or so. We can't be carrying it back to Nigeria, so we'll be leaving it for Kene. And most of the food stuff that we did not finish, that is what you're seeing here: the pepper, the golden morn, the custard, and this salad, vegetables. So that's what you're seeing in this bag. We might just be finishing it up or we'll be putting it inside here. And that's basically it. I've washed everything. I've cleaned the sink. Everywhere is looking clean. And then inside the fridge, this one is for Kene. I didn't want to put it inside the bag so that it won't be melting and drip out meat water into the bag. Then this remaining stew, he will be carrying it. These ones are Nutri-C, all those Nutri-C sachets. I poured it inside water. I left it here so that it will be chilling when we're going. Then the milk, Kene will be carrying it. And that's basically for the fridge. The freezer, I have brought out everything that is inside. Nothing is inside again. And then I need to close this window. Let's not forget to close it. And what again? Nothing else is actually remaining here. And then for these bags, these are for the kids bag. This first bag contains our winter jackets, our shoes, and our Crocs. And then this one contains our shoe, and most of the things that we got, we put it inside. It is now weighing more than 28 kg. So we want to bring out some of the things that we put inside. And then those tops are the one that the children will wear. The towel is the one that we used. We'll be leaving it here for them. And then the school bag are the school bag that they're going to carry. Then this one contains our pomade. We'll be checking that in. So that's basically it. I have finished packing like every single thing. Let me keep this here so that we don't forget anything. The dustbin will be carrying it down when we're going. And then most of these hangers are from the clothes that they gave us from Zara. There is no need putting it into the bag because it is going to accommodate space. So we brought it out. We'll be leaving it for the apartment so that another person will use it. So that's basically it. I will just wait for my yogurt to come back so that we can start going to the airport. And while at that, let me catch up on a few videos, edit video that will be going up today. And yeah, that's basically it. And my final words while leaving, hey, my goodbye words while leaving Rome. I would want, next time we're coming to Rome, by God's grace, we would want to use a tour guide. A tour guide means is that we get to explore more places, because Kene works, it's only when he's free, that is when he gets to take us around. And being that we came with kids, going out with kids is something else. I have 3 kids, my friends, they have 4 kids, and his children are kind of like, they're not really up to age, more than my own kids. So going out with them is actually stressful. Stop and join, I want to wee, I want to eat. It was really stressful. And being that we had to take the metro, we were going through train and buses. It wasn't such a good it wasn't such a good thing. Not a good thing. It wasn't so, as in, we weren't looking forward to going out because we were going out with kids, and stop and join, I want to wee, and you spend more when you go out with kids. So any time that you want to come to Rome, just make sure that you are using a tour guide, and you get to explore more places. We wanted to visit Milan and where else, Napoli or something, I can't really remember, but we calculated the money that is gonna take us there. Hold on, please, let me keep this down and sit down. We calculated the money. Hey, one more. What am I sitting on my camera? We calculated the money that will be taking a family of 5 through train to Milan and all these places that we want to visit. My brother, my sister. Na naira with the chop. And we decided, let's stay in Rome. We cannot even Rome, we never even visit and finish before we say let's start exploring here and exploring here. And being that children, hey, Chineke Ndabo, traveling with kids is not easy, but definitely next time we will visit more places. And remember, I'm gonna relocate to your country. Don't worry, Barcelona, I'm gonna come to your country. You see, London, the day I was going to the market, to the African market, we saw one bridge. I said, is that not London Bridge that I'm seeing? That means London Bridge is falling down, is in Rome. But anyway, I would have loved to meet YouTubers or subscribers that are based around here, but I think it's just few. And being that Italy and I don't really know how to explain it, being that me, I'm in Rome, I don't know where others are. They had to enter train, metro and the rest of them, and it was such a short visit. But definitely I will do a meet and greet outside Nigeria. Me, OGOM'S series, I'm gonna do a meet and greet outside Nigeria. One day, it will definitely happen. And in the meantime, I'll definitely carry you guys along when we are leaving. Hey, Chineke, nekwano my fupa. You see why I don't like wearing crop top? You see fupa. Le no fupa. Le no fupa because, hey, Chineke na. This our weight loss, we go again this 2025. We'll go again by God's grace, fingers crossed. We're going to achieve our goal in this 2025. And I also want to use this medium to thank every single one that subscribed to my channel during this my travel relocation vlog. Everyone that watched any of the content that I posted during this period. Like, I don't take you guys for granted. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. God bless you all for the massive love and support that you guys have been showing me on this particular channel. I don't take it for granted. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Okay, as you do for my channel, so shall people also do for your own channel. Like, they would see you, they would want to support you in all that you do on your channel. And in this year 2025, we will not suffer any loss in this 2025. Our 2025 will be all of positive vibes, good vibes. People would want to help us. People would mention our name in high places. Our business shall continue to flourish. We will continue to grow in all aspects of our life, in our career, for our family, for our kids, in all that we do. Lotana, okay, you too, you're tired. Okay, sorry. In the meantime, God bless you all, and I pray that this 2025 we will continue to celebrate. Like, congratulations will be our name all through this 2025 in Jesus' name. Amen and amen. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next video, because I need to end this and start another vlog. Okay, bye. And if you haven't subscribed, please stay tuned for this 2025, because it is going to be like packed. I am really positive. So in the meantime, I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I just accessorized my hands. Do you like my ring? Do you like it? So I'll definitely see you guys in my next video.